Hi guys, I'm Sasha. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to change the motor brushes on your Dremel tool. It's very simple, so stick around, we'll do it step by step. So first things first, we want to unplug our tool, just for safety. This is the product that I am replacing mine with, but you're going to want to check your model number and make sure that you get the right brush, because they do have slightly different shapes to them and slightly different springs. Now, I'm sure that there's a few ways that you can know that it's time to change your brushes. For me, my tool just won't turn on. So at that point, there's no power, no nothing, then I know I have to change the brushes. I've had to change them twice. They come in packages of 2 because there are 2 brushes. So I'm just going to use the little tool that comes with the Dremel. And you can see there's one on top. We're going to unscrew that. And then there's one also, a matching one on the bottom. Okay. Okay, and that just pops right up like that. Here's the spring. And there is the brush. Now this is the newer one that I just put on. Okay. My old one was actually worn into a diagonal on here. And one of the times I changed my tool, I changed the brush, it had worn down almost completely to where I almost couldn't get it out of the Dremel. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So then you'll take your new one, very simple, and you want to make sure there's a curvature here of the brush. It's very slight, but you want to make sure the curvature of the brush matches the curvature of the, I don't know what to call it, the little metal shaft in there that spins, okay? So, and also the shape of the brush matches the hole in there, see that? Well, you just put it back in there, just like that. And hold it down and screw it back on. And it's the exact same thing on the underside. And then I have found that once you've changed them, when I turn the power back on a lower speed, it may not come on right away. So I up the speed and I run it on high speed for, I don't know, a few minutes. I run it on high speed and then I slowly lower the speed down before I turn it off. Because it's kind of got to recalibrate with the new brushes in there. And so you're going to want to run it at the high speed for a few minutes at first and then slowly work your way down. And then once it's running pretty much back to normal, then you can turn it off. And that is it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.